everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today we'll be making a classic German potato salad, or as I say in German, Kartoffelsalat. One of the unique aspects about this that makes it so great is that for barbecues or any outdoor events, it doesn't use mayonnaise, and so you don't have to worry about it spoiling. You can serve it warm, and it's full of flavor. So on that note, let's go downstairs and get started. Now, any potato salad, of course, begins with potatoes. And I like to use small, either Yukon Gold or Red Bliss potatoes, sometimes mixing them so you have some nice color contrast. You always want to cook potatoes starting with cold water. This allows the potatoes to heat up gradually with the water and cook thoroughly through. If you add potatoes to boiling water, then you end up with potatoes that are cooked more on the outside and less on the inside. I like to use caraway seeds to add flavor, but you could also use fennel seeds. Now that the potatoes are done cooking, it's time to bring all the ingredients together. I love the flavor that fresh dill brings to this potato salad. And apple cider vinegar brings a lot of brightness to this dish. Slightly breaking the potatoes while mixing allows the flavors to really infuse the potatoes. And that's it. Now I'm going to sit down and enjoy today with some wonderful sauerbraten. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, as I say in German, guten Appetit.